In a quiet mountain village lived a young man named Arhan. He was only 24, but his mind was always restless. He thought about the past. He feared the future. And because of this, he could not sleep, could not smile, could not feel peace. One day, Arhan heard about a wise old man in another village. Long ago, the man had been a famous psychologist, but now he lived simply, close to nature. With hope in his heart, Arhan began a long journey. Finally, he reached the man's house. The old man sat quietly, calm like still water. Arhan bowed and whispered, "Grandfather, my mind is restless. Please, help me find peace." The old man smiled and gave him a task. He filled a glass of water, full to the edge, and said, "Walk through the village and return, but do not spill a single drop." Slowly, carefully, Arhan walked. The road was noisy, children laughing, dogs barking, shopkeepers calling. But Arhan noticed nothing. When he returned, he said proudly, "Grandfather, I did it." Not a single drop spilled. The old man said, "When your mind stays in the present moment, there is no fear, no regret, only peace." Arhan understood and walked home calm and free.